Namaste. Welcome to India Yoga Online Learning, and today we will be learning how to strengthen the core. But firstly, what really is the core? Core is the set of those muscles that help you with the movement of the upper body as well as the lower body. But why is it important to strengthen the core? Because strengthening the core will help you reduce the pressure that you put on your joints. Also, strengthening the core helps you get a better body posture. Today we learn a 15-minute sequence of simple asanas, those asanas that you can practice at home to strengthen your core. So stay with me for the next 15 minutes and we'll get started. So let's begin with the practice. We'll start with seated twists. Bring the left palm over the right knee, right hand behind the back. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale and twist. Look over the right shoulder without tensing your neck. Inhale back to the center. Let's repeat on the other side. Right palm over the left knee, left hand behind the back. Inhale, lengthen, exhale and twist. This time look over the left shoulder without tensing your neck. Inhale back to the center. From here, bring both the knees together. Hug both the knees to the chest. Keep your back straight. Now, shifting the body weight a little back, take the feet off the mat. Let's balance on the hip. Make sure the back is still straight. Look over the right shoulder and stay here for a few breaths. Long and deep breaths through your chest. One more breath. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale to the center. Exhale, switch the side and look over the left shoulder. Remember to engage the lower abdomen and keep the spine straight. Inhale deeply. Exhale. Slowly back to the center. Now, keeping the balance of the body, slowly raise both the hands up. Press the palms against each other, keeping the feet still off the mat. Look forward and breathe through the chest. If you're still comfortable, look up to your thumb without straining the neck. Just a few more seconds. Deep breaths. And slowly release the hands, hug the knees to the chest and release the legs down. Sit back in Sukhasana. Now from here, let's move forward with Vyaghra Shwasa or the tiger breathing. So let's come forward here to Vajrasana first. Separate both the knees, forearm distance between both the knees, forearm distance between the palms and the knees, spine neutral, look forward and toes pointing back. Now from here, inhale, arch your back and look up. Exhale, roll your spine, bring the chin to the chest. Inhale, arch your back and look up. Exhale, bring the chin to the chest. Let's continue 3 more rounds. Inhale, look up. Exhale, down. Inhale, look up. Remember to keep the elbows soft. Exhale, down. One last time. Inhale, arch arch the back and look up. Exhale, bring the chin to the chest. Inhale, come back. Now bring the knees together. We'll do another variation of Vyaghra Shwasa. Inhale, raise the right leg up and look up. Exhale, bring the knee. If you're comfortable, inhale, right leg up and the left hand up. Exhale, bring the knee to the elbow. 3 more rounds. Inhale, stretch the right leg, stretch the left hand. Exhale, knee to the elbow. 2 more rounds. Inhale, extend. Exhale, down. 1 more round. Inhale. Exhale. Slowly release. Again, let's repeat on the other side. Inhale, left leg out, right hand out. Exhale, bring the knee to the elbow. Inhale, arms in line with the ears. Exhale, down. Inhale. Exhale. 2 more rounds. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, stretch. Exhale, down. Slowly release the hands, release the legs. Place the hips on the heels, forehead on the mat. Relax in Shashank. Now stretch both your hands forward. Lift the head up, look forward. Take the hips off the heels. Press the toes down, knees off the mat. Let's stay here in Dwipada Prasaranasana, engaging the lower abdomen, keeping the whole body active and in one straight line. Now exhale. Let's go down to Chaturanga. Inhale, roll the shoulders back, toes pointed backward, Urdhvamukha Svanasana. Tuck the toes in, lift the hip up to Adhomukha Svanasana. Equal weight on all the 4 points. Lengthen your spine. Breathe through the chest. Now from here, let's begin Matsya Krida. So drop both the knees first, heels together, toes together. Drop both the elbows down, make an equilateral triangle between the hands, interlock the fingers. Take the knees off the mat, elbow and shoulder in one straight line. Now from here, inhale, bring the chin outside the palms. Exhale, come back. Inhale. Exhale. Engage your core. Inhale. Exhale. 5 more rounds. 5. Exhale. 4. 3. 2. 1. Slowly drop the knees down, hips back on the heels, relax your hands. Now from here, inhale and come up to Vajrasana. Release both the legs forward to Dandasana. Bend both the legs at the knees, press the feet down, come forward and hook the armpits down the shin to Malasana. Make sure the back is straight. Now from here, let's inhale and lift up halfway to Dhrita Utkatasana. Engage the core, thigh parallel to the mat, look forward and breathe. Long and deep breaths. 5 rounds of deep breaths. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly release back to Malasana. Release the hands, stretch both the legs forward to Dandasana. Now from here, let's move forward with Navasana. Inhale, lean back 45 degrees, engage the lower abdomen. Exhale, take the legs off the mat. If this is not comfortable, continue keeping the knees bent. Stretch both the hands forward. Let's stay here for a few seconds. Long and deep breaths, back straight. Neck in line with the spine. Keep breathing. If you want to challenge yourself, you can continue straightening the knees. Stay here and breathe. Slowly release the legs back to Dandasana. Now, the next asana is Tolasana. For those of you who are comfortable, carry forward with Padmasana. If not, make sure you are still in Sukhasana. Both the palms next to the thighs. Inhale, lengthen the spine. Exhale, lift yourself off the mat. Engage your core. Look down through the tip of the nose and breathe. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly release. The second set, we will continue with Sukhasana. So both the palms next to the thighs again. Now exhale, lift the hip off the mat. If you're still comfortable here, try taking one leg off the mat. Hold here for a few breaths. Release the right leg. Take the left leg off the mat. Stay here for a few breaths and then release. If you're still comfortable, again exhale, lift the hip, lift the thighs, lift the feet, and then relax. Back to Sukhasana. Now the third set, another variation of Tolasana, something that we already did. Let's continue again. Back straight, knees to the chest. Take the feet off the mat. Inhale, stretch both the hands up. Look up to your thumb finger if you're comfortable. If not, continue looking forward and breathe. Lengthen the sides of your trunk. 5, keep smiling. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Release the hands, release the legs, back to Sukhasana. The next set of asanas, let's stretch both the legs out and lie down on the mat. Now, keep both the feet together, palms beside the thigh, or stretch both the hands up, or interlock the fingers, place both the palms underneath the head. Whatever variation you are comfortable with, toes active. Now single leg raises or Urdhva Prasarita. Inhale, slowly lift the right leg up. Exhale and release. Inhale, lift the left leg up. Exhale, release. Let's do 3 more rounds. Inhale, exhale, inhale up, exhale with control, inhale, exhale, inhale and left leg up. Exhale down, last round. Inhale, lift the leg up, try to straighten the knee. Exhale down. Inhale and left leg up. Exhale and down. Now the next variation, double leg raises. Whoever has a problem with the lower back or is suffering from lower back pain, make sure you're placing both the palms underneath the hip and continue. Inhale, slowly raise both the legs up 90 degrees to the mat. Exhale. Inhale, lift up. Exhale, down. 3 more rounds. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Last round. Inhale. Exhale. Release the hands and relax. Now, the last asana, Jatara Parivartanasana. Stretch both the hands to the shoulder level. First, inhale and raise both the legs up. Now, as you exhale, drop the legs towards the right side. Look over the left shoulder. Again, inhale. Back to the center. Exhale, drop the legs towards the left side. Look over the right shoulder. Inhale, back to the center, the most powerful asana for your core. Let's continue. Exhale towards the right. Keep breathing. One more round. Inhale to the center, feet together. Exhale. Look over the right shoulder. Inhale, back to the center. Now bend the knees, just a relaxing posture here. Exhale, drop the knees onto the right side. Look over the left shoulder. Press the shoulders down and breathe. Take 5 rounds of deep breaths. Inhale, back to the center. Exhale, drop the knees towards the left side. Look over the right shoulder. Knees as close to the chest as possible. Press the upper back down. 5 breaths. Inhale, center. Release the legs. Release the hands and relax. Now take a few deep breaths. Relax yourself. Slowly bend the knees. Roll on to the right side and come to a seated posture. Okay guys, so that was it for today. I hope you felt a little bit of burning in the core. I hope you sweat it out with me. And you can continue practicing the same sequence at home to get a stronger core. And remember, in India Yoga, we believe, learn right, practice consistently, and experience the happiness. Thank you so much. I will see you all in the next video. Thank you.